What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And today I just wanted to give y'all my quick little thoughts and opinions on this ProClip mount that I just bought. So I did actually record like an installation video, but I just didn't like how it looked. I ain't gonna front. Like, it was kind of trash, and this might be just as trash. Colors it's pretty gloomy out tonight, tonight, and I'm in my car, so I apologize if it's really dark, but basically I just kind of wanted to let y'all check this out. I was just looking through the internet. I knew nothing about this mount, this company, because I was on Amazon just trying to find some decent mounts. Like, so I've had, I don't know if y'all remember, I have a video I did on this joint. This is the wireless charging mount, the automatic charging mount. So, like, you know, when you put your phone towards the center of it, as a sensor on it, and it opens up, and then it, you know, attaches. So the only problem with this kind of stuff is you know, it's cheap plastic. I mean, granted, this is plastic too, but there's a big difference. This is nice, hard, sturdy plastic. This is cheap stuff, and I'm investing my money to be able to have my expensive phone to be sitting in this stuff. So this here, you know, the clip on the back of this broke. So I apologize. Like I said, this clip here that attaches to the vent broke. So now this is basically, I mean, it's not trash. I can probably find another one of these, but it's not strong at all. Like, the actual mount itself, it can't support like the weight of phones. Maybe this phone, because the S10 is pretty light, but regardless, you know, I'm gonna have other phones in the future and stuff. So but like I said, I was on the web and I found this company, ProClip USA. Here it is, the packaging anyway. ProClip mobile mounting solutions. Yeah, so the website, www.proclip.com. I'll throw the link in the description. Y'all can check it out. You know, so basically what's going on here, let me move the phone out the way. Yeah, that thing is in there. You see, it's kind of hard for me to get it out, but so basically in the back here, there's a mounting plate. This is really like specific to the model of the vehicle. So when you get on the website, it's gonna ask you for like the kind of car that you got, so they can find the right kind of mount brackets or the mounting plate to put on. So this here is super sturdy. So what you have to do is basically get it under this lip, and it clips behind the back on my truck here. And this here is super sturdy. I ain't gotta worry about this falling off, hitting bumps, do whatever you gotta do, off road, whatever you need. Like, this ain't falling off. And then you have to buy your specific mount for whatever device you got. So it can either be, you know, tablets or phones or whatever you got. Me, I'm probably most likely just be having phones in my car. So, you know, this is a universal mount that you can adjust to certain thicknesses, and this should be able to support like cases like up to a certain width. So, like, you know, any like medium light style kind of case, this should be able to go right on in there, and bam. They also have different mounting or different holsters that can support like your big outer box style cases, the heavy duty rugged cases. So yeah, go check out the website though. I really like, just off of this right here, man, like, I'm moving this thing around. It's super sturdy, and I love that, because now I can really like start doing some decent little vlogging in my car, you know, some talking head videos and all that stuff, you know. But yeah, man, that's like I said, that's the ProClip mount. Again, I apologize, it's so dark in here. I should have did this in the day, but I just got it today, and I was pretty eager to go ahead and install it. So, but yeah, man, if y'all can see, you know, this thing is pretty sturdy. So, but yeah, man, it's your man Wayne Train, man. Hit me up in the comments for sure. Like and subscribe to the video. Let me know what y'all think below. Or if y'all got any other options, y'all have any other suggestions on different things like this. So yeah, man, let me know. It's your man Wayne Train. I'm out.